Today we are going to go with new topic called as packaging specifications. Packaging specification, there is equivalent to this one. We have got packaging instructions in ACC. Packaging specification is nothing but it's automatically we are doing the packaging. Every time we were going to the inbound delivery, giving the carton box, then giving the material, clicking on that icon to pack it. But what if you want to do automatically automatic packaging? So this packaging specification helps in doing automatic packaging. Okay, we need different kinds of packaging. For example, different packaging for mobile and for laptop. You may not pack the mobile and the laptop in the same way, and the packaging materials are also different. Okay, packaging specification is EWM master data. Packaging specification is usable, reusable. We'll see how we can use it. Packaging specification works on condition technique. Okay, if you are aware of inventory output determination or otherwise pricing procedures, the same on same lines, this packaging specification is also built. Okay, if you see this diagram, your packaging specification is divided into header. Header consists of contents. Okay, a content can be a product or it can be a packaging specification. A content in turn can be a packaging specification. Now you can do, there can be a different, if you see this diagram, in the level 1, what we are doing, we are packing 12 bottles into a shrink wrap. We are packing into a shrink wrap, and after this is a packaging material. This is a auxiliary packaging material, and we are doing a, we are applying a heat. This we call it as a work step. Okay, that is the level 1. And after level 1 is done, what we are doing in the level 2, we are doing carton packaging. Okay, for this carton packaging, we are putting the set of these 12 boxes into carton box. Okay, the packaging material is carton box, and we are folding the ends of the carton box. This is the work steps. Okay, what is the work step? Folding the ends of the carton box. Okay, and applying the tape is a work step. Okay, so don't treat this as a tape as a auxiliary material. Okay, so this is a work step. Okay, similarly, if you see the level, we are keeping 12 carton boxes onto a pallet, and then so here the packaging material is pallet, and the work step is putting the boxes, arranging the boxes. Okay, work step, please see the sentence. Okay, work step is nothing but a English sentence. Okay, putting of these boxes onto the carton and applying a strap, that is a work step. Okay, okay, now if you see this diagram, what is an element? Okay, you see this one, we this packaging material plus work step put together, we call it as an element. Okay, so this is an element. Okay, element is nothing but packaging materials plus work step. Okay, work step is nothing but set of activities done. Okay, a simple English sentence. Okay, if you see this diagram, okay, see what the person is doing. If you consider this basket as a product, the auxiliary material, packaging material is shrink wrap, and with the help of, what is the work step? Hot air applied by machine is called as a work step, and this together is a element. Okay, packaging material plus work step is called as a element. Okay, see, you can have like this 3 different levels and 3 different elements. Okay, but there can be also scenario, instead of presenting it like this, you can also have one level and there are 3 elements at the same level. Okay, here in this example, we are presenting such that level 1 has got element 1, level 2 has got element 2, level 3 has got element 3. But you can also, instead of doing like this, same thing you can also do as level 1, then element 1, element 2, and element 3. elementary. Okay, instead of having three different, under the same level, you can have the three elements. You can put it like that way also. Okay, and this one, okay, to this grouping of elements is called as element group. Okay, under this element group, you have got only one element. Okay, you can also have under this element group one, you can have element one, element two, and element three at a time. Okay, that is also possible. Instead of having three levels, I can simply have one level, and I can put three elements under one element group. Okay, element group is nothing but group of elements. And again, I'm defining element is nothing but packaging material plus work step. Okay, let's see this video. Okay, and please try to observe carefully the sentences, English sentences, which is the work step. Okay, just observe this one again. Okay, just ignore this packaging for the ignore the packaging of this charger. Just let's concentrate on packing of the carton bar, on packing of the laptop. Okay. Okay, now you see what is the first thing is doing is shrink wrapping it. Okay, so the first auxiliary material he is using is the bubble wrap, and on that is applying tape. Okay, how much of the quantity of the bubble wraps is using? He is using three layers of the bubble wrap. Okay, minimum bubble wrap can be one bubble wrap, and the maximum can be three bubble wraps. Okay, so he's applying. So what is saying? What is the work step? The work step is three layers of bubble wrap are used on each laptop. Okay, bubble wrap is the auxiliary packaging material, and on that three layer. Okay, the work step is wrapping. Wrapping is a work step. So minimum, you may also say minimum is three layers, maximum is six layers, or maximum seven layers. That is seven pieces of bubble wraps. Okay.
Excuse me, sir. You are not audible clearly. Is it for me or else for Sachin bro?
Is my audio not
I think
clear?
it's a
I mean,
it's breaking. It's breaking. It's not
it's breaking.
continuous.
Yeah, it's not continuous.
Okay. 1 minute. Let me see if I can change to a different network. 1 minute, please. Okay, I'll change my network.
Yeah.
Okay, am I audible now? Am I
Yeah,
audible?
it is audible.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
very clear now. Yes.
Okay. Now you see this one again. So what did he do? First thing is he has used auxiliary material bubble wrap, three layers of bubble wrap. Then he is using plastic bags for weatherproofing. Okay. So the auxiliary material here is plastic bag. This is level 2, or you can say level 1. Under the level 1 auxiliary packaging element, element is okay. You have got under the element group, one element group, you have got two elements. One is first element is bubble wrap plus wrap, and the second element is plastic bags plus package. Okay, packaging. Okay, so you can either have, okay, you can define this one as a different level, or you can define under the same level, that is auxiliary packaging second level. Okay. Okay, now is again applying another cardboard sheet. This is also again a another element. Okay, is applying the cardboard and is applying on top of it the tape. So this is also under the level auxiliary. Okay, level and element. It is third element. And for this carton box, we don't apply any unique identity number. And finally, is placing this into a carton box. This is a main packaging material. And for the carton box, he is applying the tape. So carton box plus tape is one element, and this carton box is into another level, which you can say main packaging. And under the main packaging, he is applying the carton box. Okay. Okay, now if you have observed that one carefully, okay, so there were three auxiliary packaging materials that were used, and we have got one packaging material used. Okay, so in the above level, we can have something like two levels. If you have taken this example, you can have two levels. One auxiliary packaging level. Under the auxiliary packaging level, okay, you can have, okay, uh, three elements. Okay, three elements. Okay, one is bubble wrap plus bubble wrapping. Okay, bubble wrap plus wrapping, then plastic cover plus and work, and the third one is cardboard sheet plus and work. Okay, so okay, you have got level one element group, and under the element group you have got three elements. Okay, so you have, if you take that example, you can divide that one into two levels, and under the second level you will have only one element group, and that element group is nothing but, okay, your for that element group, okay, the element group, your carton box plus the work he has done is the element. Any confusion on this one?
No, no.
Okay, so let's apply the, okay, see, assume we define packaging specification for HP laptop 14-inch. Okay, here product is HP laptop 14-inch. We can use same packaging specification for Dell laptop 14-inch. It is irrespective of the laptop. If you are applying for all the 14-inch laptops, same packaging specification. Okay, so for whichever products you want to use the packaging specification, okay, packaging specification, okay, the product is at the header level. Okay, so if you see this one in the contents, you are providing the product, so your product is at the header level. Okay, for packaging determination, we may need to maintain condition records. Okay, as I already told you, packaging specification is based on condition technique of SAP. Okay, each level represent what type of level it is. Okay, for example, okay, I said two levels in the above level. One is auxiliary level, and the second one is main packaging level. Okay, so in order to, I'm logging into EWM system in order to create packaging specification. Packaging specification, as I already told you, it is a master data. To create the packaging specification, we need to go to this part. Okay, so we go to SM extended warehouse management, then under the extended warehouse management, master data, and under the master data, you go to packaging specification, and then go to this transaction code, PACKSPEC. Click on this one. So this is the transaction code which will be used to create your packaging specifications. Okay. Okay, in order to create a packaging specification, we have to click on this line and provide the packaging specification group. Okay, so one of the important thing is we have to provide the packaging specification group. Okay, so this is a new terminology. We will see what is packaging specification group. Okay. 1 liter water bottles irrespective of company. Okay, for example, okay, we just now discussed that, what is packaging group. Okay, see, you may have one packaging group for all 14-inch laptops and one packaging group for all 21-inch laptop. Okay, assume that, if you are working in a retail group, irrespective of whether it is a oil bottle or is it a water bottle, you may use same packaging specification. That is all 1 liter bottles, you will go into one packaging group. Okay. Now we see that again element group is available at level type. I will tell you what is level type. Okay, we have got level. Okay, I will tell you what is level type later on. Okay, element group, work step, packaging specifications are reusable tools. Okay, so you can see, I'm saying packaging specifications. Okay, I'm saying it is a reusable. Okay, how it can be reusable? Whether the product is a 1 liter oil bottle or whether the product is 1 liter water bottle, I can have same packaging specification. For both of them, I can use the same packaging specification. So packaging specification is reusable. Then what is my next statement? Okay, element group, work step are reusable. Okay, see, assume that I have created a work step with number 121 and 121 reads, okay, 121 work step reads, apply hot air. Same 121 number, I can assign it to a 2 liter product as well. Okay, any question on this one? You are understanding? Work step reads, apply hot air. Okay, I've generated a number for that 121 work step. 121, same 121, instead of creating a new work step for packing a product which is a 2 liter bottle, I'll put 121. So work step is also reusable. And the third comment is, okay, element group is reusable. Okay, element group is also reusable. Again, same example, I got a 1 liter bottle. Okay, I have got a 2 liter bottle. Okay, I have created an element group in one packaging specification. I can use the same element group for another into another packaging specification. I have produced something element group with 141 number. I can put it into 2 liters packing also, same element group. Okay, so what are the reusable things? Packaging specification, work step, and element group are the reusable things. And what is a, okay, packaging material plus work step is called as element. Group of elements is nothing but element group. Okay, any questions till now on the statements I made?
No, no.
Okay. Now
No.
we will go to the packaging specification configuration. Okay. The first step, we, as I said, we have to define a packaging specification group. Okay. I'm going to SPRO, SAP reference, SCM extended warehouse management, master data, and under the master data, okay, under the master data, we have got packaging specifications. And under the packaging specification, the first node is define number range for packaging specifications. Okay, just go this one. Okay, click on the intervals. If you want to create a new intervals, you can assign it. Otherwise, take the existing ones. Okay, don't waste your time in creating the intervals. Okay, let's take any one of it. Okay, 1, 2, 3 are available. If you want, you can create the intervals, but I'm not creating the intervals. Okay, use the existing intervals. Okay, now the next step, okay, after defining the number ranges for packaging specifications, okay, define general packaging specification parameters. Okay, observe what are the number ranges that are assigned to your workstation. Okay, what is the number range that is assigned to the work step? They have assigned 0, 1. And what is the number range that is assigned to the element group? 0, 3. I told you why we are giving number ranges for this is work step and element group, because you want to use these numbers, okay, that you have generated for element group and work step into different packaging specification. Okay, as I said, 1 liter bottle, 2 liter bottle. The work step is 121 says apply hot air. So you can just put 121 into another work step. You can define 121. Okay, you can use this 121 number into some another packaging specification. Similarly, you can do element group. Okay, maximum dose. This is more to do with the ABAP thing. Okay, so just ignore this one. Okay, ignore what is maximum level. Alert category is nothing but there is a concept, there is a separate module called as alert management in EWM. If you want to integrate, then you have to use this field. Okay, this field. Okay, this field. Okay, this is the form which will be used to print out your packaging specifications. Okay, if you want a PDF form, this will be the form. And this field is for document management system. There is a separate module of SAP which is called as document management system. If you want to integrate with the document management system, these two fields are used. But I really do not have in-depth idea as to how to use these 4 fields. I have never used also. Okay. Now, save determination analysis. This you know. How is the, if you want to analyze whether the condition record is determined, if so, how it is determined. Okay. It is used for this one. Okay. Now, under and change documents. Change documents is if you want to see the change history, then you need to check on this one. Okay. If someone is making the changes, if you want to see the change history, then you have to see the change documents. Okay. Now, after that one, okay, so this is your general. Okay, so you have see this, the work step and element group number ranges you have provided at this level, and which form and which which form you want to print out. Okay, the same form will be used. Now you go to define packaging specification group. Okay, so let me copy it from this one. Let me use, okay, see, I am using SSWH, okay, which is nothing but our warehouse number for defining a packaging specification group. Okay, okay, so for the time being, just ignore level set. Okay, and what is the number range with which this packaging specification group will be created? I'm taking it as 0, 1. Okay, okay, ignore all the fields. Okay, just put local. Okay, number ranges for packaging specification are maintained at packaging specification group. Okay, no, I'm saving this one. SSWH is the new packaging specification group I have created. Okay, it already exists, so I'll say SSW1. Now we will have a conflict. We may not be able to use it. Okay, we will use it. Okay, we will use a SSWH only later on. Okay, so SSW1, I have created it. Okay, any question on this one? SSW1, I have created a packaging specification. Now you go back to this screen. Okay, maintain packaging specifications. Click on this create button. Select the packaging specification group that you have just now created. Okay, so press enter. If you see this one, how is this number range coming up? Because of the number range that you have assigned. Okay, so we have seen how to assign a number range to the okay, number range is assigned. Now you go to this one, click on the magnifying glass. Okay, compare it with the diagram I have shown. So your packaging specification number is at the header level, and you have got the content at the header level. Okay, So this you just compare it with your diagram. Okay, you have got header level and contents. Okay, now I want to add levels. How can I add levels? Okay, just simply click on this packaging specification, click on this add level. Okay, if you want to add, okay, this is assume that level for auxiliary one. I want to add another level for the product. Okay, you can keep on adding the levels. Okay, so you can keep on adding the levels, as many levels as possible. Okay, now please try to compare it with the diagrams. Okay, if you want to add the level, you can simply add the level. If you want to delete it, select the node and delete it. Now I am clicking on this level. Okay, what did you get? You are getting element group. What is element group? Okay, again go to the diagram. What is element group? Element group is nothing but it is a group of elements. And what are elements? Elements is nothing but packaging material plus work step. Okay, so if you want to create a element group, click on create. Okay, so a element group is created. Okay, under this level. Okay, under this level I have created a element group. Okay. Okay, so I have created an element group. Okay, see under this level I have not created the element group. Okay, so you can under each one level you can create an element group. Okay, now if you go to the level 1, this is the element group that is created. Okay, now when you click on the element group, number is populated. Under element group, okay, under element group, what is, just now I told you, element group is nothing but group of elements. Okay, now you see this one under the element group, I am trying to create, click on this button. Okay, just now I told you what is an element. Element is nothing but packaging type plus packaging material plus work center. And what is element group? It is element group is nothing but group of elements. Any question on this one?
No,
Okay.
no.
No.
So here I'm going to give the packaging material. Here I'm going to give the work step. Okay, you can switch to the form view and list view. See, element type you have got. Okay, see, element group is nothing but group of elements. Okay, see, your packaging specification is nothing but you have got levels under this one. Under the element group you have got elements under that one. Okay, so this is your packaging material. Okay, I'm going back to the packaging material plus work step is nothing but your element, and group of elements is nothing but element group. Any questions till now?
No, no, no.
Right. Okay. Okay. So just click on this choose 11C. I'm going to the list view. Click on this one. So what it says, whether it is a main packaging. Okay, the packaging material you are using, whether it is a main packaging material or is it a auxiliary packaging material or is it a simply not relevant for HU. Okay, so okay, so it will just tell you whether it is a main packaging, auxiliary or not required. Okay, try creating labels under the elements, different element groups. Okay, now we have shown you how to manually create these labels and element groups and elements. Okay, you can simply create the labels, okay, by adding plus 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 plus. Okay, and come to this one, click on this create, then it will create element group. Under the element group you can keep creating the element types. See, I'm creating two elements under one element group. Okay, just now I said element group is nothing but group of elements, and element is a packaging material plus work state. So this, okay, now in order to add the content, okay, in order to add the product, what will be your how to add the product? Click on this content and click on add product. Now you can add, okay, okay, you can add the water bottle here and the quantity of the water bottle that you are going to pack using this packaging specification. This is the packaging specification number that we are going to create. Okay, so this is how you can create manually. I've shown you how you can create manually levels, element groups, and element. All this one are manual, but I want to automatically create levels, automatically create under the elements. I want to automatically create. Okay, the first thing is I want to create the elements, and the second thing is I want to create the element group automatically. Okay, and the third thing is I want to create the element automatically. In order to create levels automatically, we have to use level set. There's a concept called as a level set. Okay, okay, if you have seen here in this configuration, if you have seen in the packaging specification screen, if you have seen, there's something called as a level set. Okay, level setting is nothing but group of levels. Instead of you going and adding manually level 1, level 2, level 3, you can define a level set here. Define the level set and assign the level set to the packaging specification group. It will be automatically created. Any question on this one?
No.
No. Okay. Now the next step is to create the level set. Okay. To maintain the level set, we have to go to this node, maintain structure of packaging specification. Okay. And we can define a new level set. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to the maintain structure of the packaging specification. I am saying define level type. Okay, in order to define the level set, first we need to have level type. Level type is nothing but each level. Okay, so I am going first defining the levels. Okay, new entries. Let us say SW. Okay, SSW1. This is my level 1. Okay, for auxiliary packaging. Okay, auxiliary packaging level. This is my auxiliary packaging level. Okay, available for input. I'll tell you what is that one. Performing entity. Okay, see, performing entity, if your vendor is sending the worker and he is in your premises, is doing this activity, then you select the supplier. Okay, contract packager, your employee contract packager, you select this one. Okay, most of the time we don't select this one. Okay, quantity classification, we have discussed quantity classification to some extent, and where it is used. Quantity classification and which determination? Okay, go back to the classes. Quantity classification we have already defined. Okay, that is, if the loose products are coming, then it should go to one storage type. If packed materials are coming, it should go to the another one. But anyways, we have got another session for this one. Okay, now HU type. Okay, if you want to restrict this level only to a one kind of HU types. Okay, if you remember, we have defined HU types SSH1. Okay, SSH1. Okay, if you want only for this levels, or you want to use only SSH1 HU types. Okay, for example, then you can use that one. But if you do not want to restrict, then you can ignore this one. Okay, HU creation is only applicable for main packaging material. It is not applicable for auxiliary packaging material because this level is for auxiliary packaging. I'm not using this one. Okay, let me use this one as level 1. Okay. External step, we will see deletion not allowed. I will show you. That is, if you select this one, you will not be able to delete this level. Okay, level type is nothing but a level. Okay, kitting and okay, just ignore these two fields. Then icon. Okay, what is the icon you want to represent this level with? Okay, so these do not have any functionalities. It is only a pictorial representation. You can take any icon for this one. Okay, it doesn't matter, whatever you can take. Okay, something like plus or anything you can take. I want to take plus symbol so that each plus symbol represents a level. Anything, it doesn't matter. Okay, okay, icon stack. I'm taking icon stack. I want to say so level 1 is stack 1. Okay, so I'm saving this one. Okay, this level is for my, okay, it is saying SSL1 already exists. Let me go with SSH1. Okay, now let me define another level, okay, which is for my main packaging. Okay, select this one, click on this one, SSH2. Okay, main packaging. Okay, so here you want to create HU creation is must, because main at the main HU level only you will define the handling unit number. Okay, so we are good with this one. I'm saving. Now this level type is nothing but represents each level. Okay, but if at all, okay, automate the process, I have to assign this level type to the level set. Okay, I will go back to this go to the defined packaging specification group. Okay, SSH1 is our packaging specification group. SSW1, right?
H1.
Where is SSH1? I think
W.
we have
W.
created with W1. Okay, so SSW1, come here, assign the, okay, we have not yet defined the level set. We have to define the level set. We have defined the level types. We have not yet assigned the level types to the level sets. Okay, first I need to define a level set. Okay, so let me define the level set. I have defined the level types. Okay, here there is something called as define level set. Come here. Okay, new entries, level set. Okay, let me put it as level set only. Level set. Okay, under this level set, I will assign the levels. Okay, each level is nothing but a level. Each level type is nothing but a each level. Okay, my first level is to do the auxiliary packaging, which is SSL1. Okay, this sequence number is 1. First, I will do the auxiliary packaging. Okay, which is my level 1. Then I'll do level 2, which is my main packaging material level. Okay, at the second level. Now I've created 2 levels. Okay, 2 levels in a level set. So in order to automate the packaging specification for levels, I have to assign this level set to my packaging group. It is very simple if you understand the concept. Okay, now go to this. So we have defined the level set. Now define the packaging specification group. Our packaging specification is SSW1. Go here. Okay, in the level set, assign the level set that you have just now defined. Okay. Okay, it is not coming up. Why it is not coming up? Okay, I'm sorry. Level set. Okay, I have now saved it. Now again, do this exercise. Okay, now we are assign the level set. Okay, what is the use of level set? I will show you now. Okay, go to this in the go to the screen back. You were creating the levels automatically, but manually. Now you see. Okay, let that number be deleted. Okay, again come back to the screen. Okay, click on this button. Okay, select the packaging specification group just now that you have selected, which is SSW1. Okay, press enter. You see level set is assigned to it. Okay, now you click on this one, select this one, and click on the magnifier. Okay, see levels are assigned. Level 1, level 2. Instead of you selecting this one, add level, you define a level set and you assign the level types to the level sets. Okay, any question? Like how did we automate this level sets?
No, no.
Okay. Now again, within the level set, we were creating the element group manually. We were going to this element group and clicking on this create element groups. Okay. No, I do not want to again have the element groups to be created manually. I want it to be automated, similar way the way it is coming up. Okay. So to define a level, we have used level type. Okay, we discussed what is element group. Element group is nothing but a group of elements. So in order to automate the element group, we need to have element types. Okay, so what is an element type? Element type is nothing but it is a element is nothing but it is a combination of packaging material plus work step, right? Okay, you are getting what is element type and what is element. We already
Yeah.
discussed what is above. If you see this diagram,
Element is packing plus work step. An element.
yes, element is nothing but packaging plus work step. Group of elements is called as a element group. Okay, under one element group you can have many element group. In order to create a level, we have used level type and we have combined the level types into level set. So in order to create element, we have to make use of element type. So where do we define these element types? Okay. So I'm going to define two element types. Okay. One is for the level 1. Okay. There is a concept called as define element type. Okay. So I'll go to this define element type in the configuration. Go back. Okay. You have got define element type. Okay. So element is nothing but it is a combination. It is the combination of packaging material plus your uh, work step. Okay, so I'll say element 1. Okay, element 1, and element 1 I'll say is auxiliary for auxiliary. Okay, element 1 in okay, auxiliary level element. Okay, so this is not relevant for HO. Okay, that is obvious. And if you do not want to delete, okay, if you do not want to have delete this, allow the user to delete this element, then you have to select this one. Okay, similarly I'll define another element, okay, which is EL2. Okay, okay, which is for main level element. Okay, this here it is relevant for, this is main packaging material. It is not auxiliary. The first one is auxiliary packaging material. Okay, in the first element we will be using auxiliary one. In the second one we are using the main one. Okay, now I have defined two levels, two elements. Okay, now go back to the level set. Go to this define level set. Go to our level set. Okay, see, our level set was having two levels. Okay, first level was auxiliary packaging. Second one was main packaging. For the first one, in the first one, what is my work step? My work step is E1. Element type is, okay, auxiliary level element. Okay, okay. Now in the second one, I can have here, I can have n number of auxiliary levels, which I told you. For example, in our example, first one was bubble wrap, then a cover, then a cardboard. You can put the three cardboards if you want three elements under one element group. Okay. Now go back. Under the second level, element type, new entries, EL2, sequence 2. Okay. So we have assigned, okay, in the level set. No, again go back and observe the creation of it. Okay, now you can go back to this one. I'm not saving this packaging specification. No, again click on this one. Click on the create button. Go to the packaging specification group. Select the packaging specification group you have created. Press enter. See, level set has come. Click on this one. Go to the magnifying glass. Okay, you have got two levels. Okay, okay. Under these two levels, you have got an element group automatically created, and the element type is EL1. Okay, see, you have not assigned element type to element group, but you have assigned here. There is a small change in the level types. You are assigned to the level set. Element types you are not assigned to something called as element set, but you have directly assigned to the level set only. So you have got element 1 under this one. Okay, similarly click on this one and observe you have got another element group that is created, and you have got element type EL2, and now you can have packaging material and work steps defined. Okay, Okay, now we have observed that the system is creating labels automatically and element group automatically. Now we have to give the packaging material and the work step here. Okay, so now again I'm not going here. Now this in here, in which element type, which packaging materials I should be using. I have to do that configuration. Okay, in which in which okay, for example, in this element one, I want to use packaging material types auxiliary. So I need to assign that one. Okay, now go back to the configuration. See, I assign packaging material type to element type. Go here, new entries. So what is the element type we have defined just now? We have defined EL1. Okay, so I should be using the packaging material type that we have created, which is nothing but SS. What are the packaging material types we have created? Any, did you remember?
This
SSAX, I think. Yeah, SSAX. Okay, so this is the packaging material type, SSAX. Okay, similarly for EL2, under EL2, it can be the carton box or the pallet. Okay, you can sometimes use carton box as a main one, and sometimes you can use carton as the main one. Okay, that is the reason I am assigning both of them. SSCB, SSPL. Okay, so okay, if you see this one, see this diagram, this work step is different from this work step. Okay, what is the work step here? Here the work step is nothing but you are applying a hot air using a machine. Here the work step is you are folding the ends of the cotton box. The work step is, it's a simple English statement. Folding the hands of the cotton box is a work step. Here applying the hot air using some machine is a work step. Okay, so now we have to define the work steps. Okay, so I'm going to define the work steps. Okay, define work step. Okay, I'll say new entries. Okay, I'll say W step 1 hot air application for auxiliary level. WST2 folding cotton box, which is for main main level. Okay. Okay, I may have a work step. If I am using a pallet, I may have a work step, which is putting cotton boxes onto pallet and wrapping and apply wrap. Okay, this can be my third step. Okay, I've defined 3 work steps. Okay, Okay, now we have to assign the work steps to the packaging material types. Okay, so first thing what we did here, we have assigned element type to the packaging type, element type to the packaging type. Now we assign packaging type to the work steps. Assign. Okay, we have finished this one. Assign packaging material type to element type. We have finished. Okay, our element type was EL1. What was our element type? EL1 and EL2, right? These were our element types. These were our element types. So for the element types, now I have assigned packaging material type to the element types. Now I assign the work step to the packaging material types. Okay. New entries. If my packaging material type is SSAX, then my work step will be applying the hot air, right? That is WST1. Okay. Similarly, if my packaging material is SSCB, cotton, folding cotton for main level. Okay, folding the ends of the cotton box. Similarly, if my packaging material is SSCB, SSPL, then my work step will be WST3. So the moment I select a package type over there, the work step will be automated. Okay. Okay. Now go back to this one. We have created the packaging specification. Now we are in this level. Okay. So in this level, we have got element group. This is the element group. Now I have to assign the packaging group. Let me start from the beginning. Let me not save this one. Okay. Again, I am clicking on the packaging specification, clicking on this create button, and selecting the packaging group. When I press enter, you will get the level set. Level set is nothing but group of elements. Okay, under this one, you have got two levels, auxiliary packaging and main packaging. And under auxiliary packaging, you have got only one element. Okay. Okay. Now, when I click on this one, okay, see, there is no difference between these two. The one is list view and another one is form view. That's it. Okay. So I'm clicking on this one. Now, in this packaging material, which packaging, this packaging material that I am assigning it here, this is auxiliary level. Okay, I should assign that packaging material which was created under SSAX for this one, right? Okay, so okay, so we are into the first one. Okay, we have to enter the packaging material auxiliary. Here, enter the packaging material auxiliary. I'm searching for the packaging materials. See, this is shrink wrap. Okay, SSX. Under the packaging material type, there is only one packaging material, shrink wrap. Okay. Okay. Now, if you Go to here. How many shrink wraps that person has used? Minimum you can use 3, maximum you can use 6. That is one way. Otherwise you can use 1, maximum also 1. Understanding?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
You can use 3 wraps minimum. Maximum you can use 6 quantity, 6 of them. I'm like restricting him something, a wrap is not good. Third wrap is not good. He may apply another extra wrap. Okay. But I am for the time being saying that he can use only one wrap. Okay. No, this is an auxiliary level 1. We do not want HU creation. Okay. So we do not want HU creation. I'm not taking this HU creation. Okay. So now, okay, so we have entered the maximum and minimum number of auxiliary materials to be used. Okay, no. Okay, if I enter 1, it is 1 auxiliary packaging material for 1 material. Now I'm going to the second one. Okay, I'm going to the second level, this level, wherein I have to enter the main packaging material. Okay, main level is for the either for the carton box or for the pallet. I can select any one of it. Okay, I'll select the, okay, because I have given 2 packaging material types, it is giving me everything. Okay, so I'll say I want to have carton box, so I will take SSCB. Okay. Work step we are not yet selected. Okay, work step we are not yet defined. Okay, I'm now only assigning the work step. Okay, so this element group is having packaging material, this one. Okay. Okay, now at the second level you want to, okay, in this carton box I can either pack 1 bottle and maximum I can pack 12 bottles. Any question on this one? Minimum I have to pack 1. Otherwise I can say minimum and maximum 12. Otherwise I can say I can pack only 1. I can pack 100. Is it fine?
Yeah.
I can pack either 1 bottle. For auxiliary it is number of auxiliary packages, but here I can pack either 1 product or 100 products, and here HU creation is possible. Okay, at this level we have to have HU creation. Okay, now I want to add the product. Which product I need to pack under this one? Okay, so how to, which product? Okay, so now you go to this one, click on add product. Okay, so now you click on this product, so add the product. Okay, the product is, for this is SSWH, it is mat 1, right? Okay. SHPL mat 1. So just view the product which you want to pack, which is nothing but SHPL mat 1.
Sir, I want to go now, so I'll connect tomorrow. Is that okay?
Yeah, we'll stop it. Okay, we'll stop it. Just 1
Yeah.
minute. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. We are almost done. Okay. Now click on this one. There's something called as determination. Okay, we'll discuss the determination part tomorrow. Okay. Just remember 10044 is our packaging specification number.
Yeah.
10044. Okay, we'll discuss tomorrow. Yeah. Yeah, thanks, Sufyan. Any questions
Thanks, sir.
you have got?
Sir,
No,
just
sir.
update this file, yeah? Sir, just update in the
No.
video.
Yeah, I will update the video. All the videos are up to date. Okay.
Yeah. This one also, yeah. Okay, cool. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks.
Bye.